welcome to my place of employment, where I just heard some news that is very disturbing, but we're not going to talk about that. Positive vibes today. It's 6:45 in the a.m. I have 15 minutes before I have to go into the booth and do this thing called work. Another set of work. And I'm just so aggravated with the way things are being ran. And I mean, I'm not the only one. Pretty much almost everybody is just like fed up with a lot of this stuff. Whew. Let's bypass that foolishness. So when I get off, I am going to do my best to not sit down, because if I do, I'm going to fall asleep. Just trying to get my life together, change clothes, go work out, eat, and do some stuff around the house. Since I don't have the munchkin, I'll be able to get a lot of stuff done. In my mind, I feel like I'll get a lot of stuff done. But then when I think about it, I know I'm just going to want to sit down and just crash. I know I'm going to want to sit down and just crash or watch last week's episode of, what is that show called? Queen of the South. I watched Claws yesterday. That was messy. I think that's about it. I don't really have any other shows to watch. If you guys can recommend any shows to watch, please let me know. I may not watch it the day of, but I definitely will get to it. So if you have any shows to recommend, either it be on Netflix or Hulu or network television, let me know and I'll look into it, because I actually need some new shows to watch. 6:48. Let me go and walk back here in this booth. See you guys later. So I'm home and I'm eating a piece of sausage out of the pan. I mean, hey, it don't make sense to make extra dishes, you know. About to go change clothes so I can go work out. I'm trying to get this up off me. Trying to get this weight off me, y'all. It's sad. It's taken me almost 3 years. Well, I would say 2, because of course, I'm gonna say 3. Try to get the rest of this mess up off me. I'm here to work out, but I don't know exactly which way I'm supposed to go. So I'm lost. We gonna call him. Because I'm lost. Yes. Yeah, which door? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. The trainer not here right now, so I'm gonna hang out here until he get here. Okay, there go another person, so I'm not by myself as of now. God is good, though. God is good. This young man, I've been riding with him since 2014, and he has now acquired his own facility, and that is awesome. That's, what year is this? 19? So that was what, 5 years ago? I've been rocking with him since then, but he's been training even before then. But yeah, been rocking with him since then. He has acquired his own facility. I'm happy for him. I'm proud of him. I will continue to, be a part of his journey, because he helped me lose almost 30 pounds back then. Hopefully he can help me lose 40 pounds this time. It's gonna take some time, but you know, that's what's gonna happen. What you say, Bo?
Man, it'll be a Holyfield.
We's tired. All because of this person right here.
Gang, gang.
Oh. Anyway, workout done. Now it's time for a shake. Get your life. Trying to get mine. You got your life, Brett?
I'm tired.
Woo, Jesus. Let me go in this here house, child. I got too much stuff. Not too much sauce. I got too much stuff. Only thing I can say is, I'm tired. It's shake time. Shake time. Let me find the measuring part of it. Okay, there we go. Shake time. Shake time. I think I put too much milk in there. No, I didn't. Put just enough. 2 good old scoops. 1. And 2. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Hey, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it, shake it up, shake it. Yeah. That's good shake. Just let you guys know what shake I'm using. I am using the Women's Best Slim Body Shake and the flavor cookies and cream. Yes, Lord, not sponsored at all. Okay. I just showed you guys just in case anyone asked me what shake I was using. It's so good. Yes. And I used Almond Breeze almond milk. I used to use coconut milk, but I just didn't buy any this time. I just wanted some almond milk. But now I'm gonna get cleaned up because I'm drenched in sweat. I'm still sweating, see? Boom. Sweat. You see that sweat? You see that sweat? Sweat. Sweat. My shirt is a whole nother color. Okay? Anyway. Let me go wash my butt and attempt to straighten up this house. Why?